Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel a Ryanair flight. To begin, open your browser and go to the official Ryanair website at ryanair.com. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking the address bar before proceeding. If you're prompted to choose a country or language, pick the one that matches your booking details. You may also see a cookie or privacy prompt. Accept or manage it so you can continue navigating without interruptions. Once the homepage is loaded, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. You're looking for the Help Center link, usually located in the footer area alongside other customer service resources. This is the central place where Ryanair publishes official guidance about bookings, changes, and policies. When you find the Help Center link, select it to open the support portal. Inside the Help Center, look for the section called Booking Changes. Select it to access the articles and tools related to modifying or canceling travel. This section collects the most up-to-date information on what can and cannot be changed, the conditions that apply to cancellations, and any fees or refunds that might be available. Ryanair's policies can be specific, so take a moment to read the overview before you act. On the Booking Changes page, you'll find detailed guidance on cancellations and related options. Ryanair typically does not offer full refunds for voluntary cancellations, but there may be limited cases where you can request a refund of government taxes, or where special circumstances like serious illness or bereavement are considered. If your flight was significantly changed or canceled by the airline, different rules may apply. The page will outline these scenarios and explain how to proceed. Follow the on-screen steps provided in the relevant article and take note of any forms or links it provides. Have your booking reference, the email used for the booking, and your travel dates on hand. You may be asked to verify these details as you work through the guidance. As you read, pay attention to time limits, potential fees, and currency details, since charges and eligibility can vary by route and fare type. It's a good idea to capture screenshots of key pages for your records. If the guidance points you to a specific form or support channel, simply continue from within that page and follow the instructions presented there. When you're done, you will have used the official route, Ryanair.com, then Help Center, then Booking Changes to access the correct information and next steps for canceling a Ryanair flight.